Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. This right here is my airbed, and as you can see, it is deflating pretty fast at the moment. So that means it has a puncture hole somewhere in there. I'm trying to find this hole by listening to see if I can hear any hissing, but nothing happens. I will have to use another way to find this punctured hole, and I will show you how to do it. Now this will work the best if you have a bathtub like this one right here, so fill it up with the water as much as possible. Now just simply get in this water with your air mattress and try to see if there's any bubbles on your mattress. I have also figured it out, you don't have to be in a bathtub yourself, just your mattress. There you have it, I hope you can see it. I have found my hole which is causing this mattress to deflate itself. Now in order to patch this hole you just need two things: working lighter and a glue stick. Just warm up this glue stick with the lighter a little bit. You want this glue stick to start dripping glue from it. Okay, something like this, and now just press it right here to this hole on our airbed. Good, good. And remove your stick. Okay, let me show you. Now we have this small bubble of glue right here, but this small bubble of glue is gonna seal up this hole that we had right here. There you have it, guys. First we have gone through an effective way to find that small hole in your airbed. We have found it, and then one stick of glue, one lighter, and you will be able to fix all holes on your airbed. Just inflate it and use it. And if you are interested in some other airbed tricks, check out these suggestions right here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.